So this is the sound the MSI GS laptop is making. I mean, you wouldn't expect something from a device that costs 2,300 euros. 2,000 euros. And the worst part is, I had to take it to the repair shop to get this function key, the enter key, and the Windows Home button key repaired. And I had to pay a certain amount of cost, and I was expecting I wouldn't encounter any other problems in this laptop, and this thing happened. Can you hear the sound of it? Can you literally hear the sound of it? This is the fan making the noise. Now I don't know what to do with this thing anymore. I really hope the MSI people do something about it, especially if they are making such an expensive laptop. And because, I mean,